Somebody in the CP, can you tell me where it's coming from?
It's in Mandalay Bay. Upstairs in Mandalay Bay, halfway up. I see the shots coming from Mandalay Bay.
Right now, authorities believe that there was a single shooter.
A gunman opened fire from the 32nd floor.
It's more than 500 people injured in this shooting.
It's the deadliest mass shooting in modern United States history.
So I remember getting a text message from my sister. She's a police officer for Henderson, saying that there was an active shooter on the strip. And shortly after, I got a text from my charge nurse telling me to come in. So I got myself ready very quickly and got to my car and remembered, just hearing gunshots after gunshot. And I remember just seeing cop cars and ambulances just flying past me. I texted my husband, just letting him know that there's an active shooter and I'm going to work. My heart was racing. I didn't know what I was going to walk into. That was the scariest part, because you had no clue how bad it was going to be, what you were going to see, and if it's going to change you for what you see that night. It was very chaotic. There was people everywhere. And sorry. I remember just being very, very nervous and putting myself together and just knowing that I had to help. So I took a deep breath, put my stuff down and went to work. When I was in school at Texas A&M, they did a disaster day training. And less than a year of me graduating, I would be involved in one of the worst shootings in American history. If it wasn't for them, I would not have known what to do, and I don't think I would have been able to keep my composure and stay calm and figure out who needs help right away. My dad was a firefighter in New York, and I remember on 9/11, they told my dad that he needs to go down and help with the tragedy that just happened. And I think he was down there for like a week. And, I remember being so scared and thinking that this is it, I'm never gonna see my dad again. He probably felt the same way I did during the shooting, not knowing what you're gonna expect, what you're gonna see, but knowing that you have to help because it's part of your job. My father, he inspired me, and Texas A&M prepared me.